everyone, I hope you all are doing great. The topic of the video is the best fruits for weight loss. Fruit is nature's ready-made snack packed with vitamins, fiber and other nutrients that support a healthy diet. Fruit is also generally low in calories and high in fiber, which may help you lose weight. In fact, eating fruit is linked to a lower body weight and a lower risk of diabetes, high blood pressure, cancer, and heart disease. So, here are the top best fruits to eat for weight loss. Number 1 is grapefruit. Grapefruit is very low in calories and high in vitamin A and C. Half grapefruit contains just 52 calories but provides 65% of the daily intake for the vitamin C. Red varieties also provide 28% of the daily intake value for vitamin A. It may be a healthy snack before main meals to help reduce your overall food intake. Additionally, a recent review found that grapefruit consumption reduced body fat, waist circumference, and blood pressure compared to the other control groups. Number 2 is apple. Apples are low in calories and high in fiber with 116 calories and 5.4 grams of fiber per large fruit that they may support weight loss. Research shows that apples are best eaten whole rather than juiced to reduce hunger and control appetite. Number 3, berries. Berries are low-calorie nutrient powerhouses and contain many important vitamins. For example, 1 cup of blueberries contain just 42 calories but provides 12% of the daily value for vitamin C and manganese, as well as 18% for vitamin K. 1 cup of strawberries contain 49 calories and provide 3 grams of dietary fiber as well as 150% of the RDI for vitamin C and almost 30% for manganese. They also may have positive effects on cholesterol level, blood pressure, and inflammation. Number 4 is stone fruits. Stone fruits like peaches, apricots, and plums make a low-calorie seasonal snack. They are a good alternative to chips, cookies, or any other junk food. Stone fruits are low-calorie and rich in nutrients like vitamin C and A, which make them great for people trying to lose weight. For example, 1 medium peach contains 58 calories, while 1 cup of cherries provide 87 calories. 2 small plums or 4 apricots have just 60 calories. Number 5 is kiwi fruit. Kiwi fruits are highly nutritious and provide a range of health benefits. 1 medium fruit offers 42 calories and has 2.1 grams of fiber. Kiwi increase fullness and improve gut health. Their high fiber and low calorie content make them ideal for weight loss. Very nutrient-dense, kiwis are an excellent source of potassium and vitamin C and have significant health benefits. Number 6 is melons. Melons are very low in calories and have a high water content which may help you lose weight and keep you hydrated. Just 1 cup of watermelon provides a modest 46 calories. Though low in calories, melons are rich in fiber, potassium, and antioxidants such as vitamin C, beta-carotene, and lycopene. Number 7 is oranges. Oranges are high in vitamin C and fiber, and they can help keep you feeling full. 1 serving contains more than a day's worth of vitamin C and 16% of your daily fiber intake. Eating whole fruits rather than drinking fruit juices not only results in less hunger and calorie intake but also increased feeling of fullness. Number 8 is banana. Bananas' ample nutrients and fiber make them an ideal part of a healthy weight loss plan. The nutritious amount of fiber in bananas can help you feel fuller for longer. While bananas are more calorie dense than any other fruits, they are also more nutrient dense, supplying potassium, magnesium, manganese, fiber, numerous antioxidants and vitamins such as A, B6 and C. People who eat avocados tend to weigh less than people who do not. 1 avocado contains 227 calories, making it one of the most calorie-dense fruits. It provides a healthy dose of monosaturated fats, which is helpful in lowering bad cholesterol. Despite their high fat content, eating avocados may help promote weight loss and weight maintenance. It increases feelings of fullness, decrease appetite, and improve cholesterol levels. So now the bottom line is fruit is an essential part of a healthy diet and may aid weight loss. Most fruits are low in calories while high in nutrients and fiber, which can boost your fullness. Keep in mind that it's best to eat fruits whole rather than juiced. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.